Sup everybody? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Kick-ass truck, little cool pickup truck. It's got like all the amenities and everything as far as the composite bed with all the compartments and shit like that. It's fun to drive. It's great on gas. It's reliable. They're awesome. Let's check it out. So on this one, we built with keeping in mind that I wanted to stick with the kind of black, red, and keep it color-coded somewhat nice. So what we did is threw a 3-inch rough country lift on it, and we're running a set of nice, brand new Renegade R7 MT tires. These are a 285/65 18-inch tire. Nice little low-profile type of a mud tire. It's running on an 18, I want to say this is a 18/8 or 9-inch XD wheel. Nice looking wheel. I like it a lot. It's got a little tiny bit of lip to it. So looks nice. Got some nice, what do you call it? Some nice stuff, you know. It's nice. Can't really say much about a truck that's kick-ass in every way because they're reliable. Toyota has a hell of a name for them as far as reliability and shit like that. So they're awesome. I like them. They hold their value extremely well. If you guys have any questions about this one, holler at me. 540-848-2974. Hope everybody's kicking ass and doing well out there. Make America great again. Woo! So hope everything's good. This is the truck, 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport SR5, coming at you guys. And as somebody asked me a few days ago, somebody's like, Mark, can you start, getting the camera lined up right with the fender wells? Because I know a lot of your states will have inspection issues with the tires sticking out more than 2 inches past the fender well, which fails it for inspection. So with that said, I'm going to start doing that in these videos, help you guys out a lot, see what you can do as far as what you do to your rigs and what I do to my rigs. So check it out. Here we go. This one is nice and flat. Look how flush that is with the fender well. No problem passing inspection. I can look right down at it. Just like looking down at a big-breasted animal, Just boom, right at you, right in your face. So right there, boom, and right there, boom, level, really nice. So hope you guys are doing great, and I'm ending the video right now because it took way too damn long to upload to YouTube last night. And this truck has, hold on, bear with me, darkness. Come on, 41,000 miles on it. There's the interior, super friggin' duper clean. And no sunroof. That's all she wrote. Over and out, guys. Peace out. Subscribe now, right now.